Hello and welcome to the first episode of a mini-series of videos explaining and introducing games that I have participated in making. This is a game jam game for a Yogscast games jam, and I was responsible for creating the assets for the world. We had a second artist who made the character, and then we had 2 developers, if I remember correctly. It is a very basic platformer. I believe the theme was delivery or something similar for the games, and our game was basically a delivery simulation. Very simple, point A to point B with some NPCs in between. There are some mechanics like a cat that can steal your parcel and a bird that will mess with you. We had a bit of a upgrade system as well to increase your throwing power, because you have to protect yourself and your parcel. But yeah, this is basically it. Hope you enjoyed.